majority of the individuals have misunderstood the blockchain economy. They think about that selling crypto, buying crypto and making money out of it, but they don't appreciate the technology behind the blockchains and the kind of revolution it can bring. And that's why most of the countries are afraid of this blockchain technology, because this will take the power from them and give it to every single individuals connected on the blockchain network. They're going to decide that how they can do the financial transactions. No one's will have the control on their money or on their assets which they have on their. To make things clear, let me give you an example. Just imagine that you have a friend who live in USA and here you live in India, and if you want to send him $100 or you want to receive him $100, and if you go with the normal financial system of our country, the entire process will take close to 15 to 10 days for sending the money. And once your friend or you will receive the money you will receive it not $100, you will receive close to 90% of the amount. And the reason why it takes so much time to transfer your money to their bank, because your bank and their bank is not connected with each other. To transfer money, what the bank does, they send the money to different middleware banks, and that's why the process takes time, and that's why the transaction fees you have to pay, and your friend or you get less amount what exactly you send. But in the case of blockchain, there is no middleman. You and your friend is directly connected on blockchain network. You can send money directly to him and there is no middleman. The amount you have to pay for paying the transaction is way less as compared to what you pay going with the normal financial system of your country. And that's one of 100 implementations of blockchains. You can take this blockchain technology to every single business you see around yourself. If you want to do education based things, you can do it very easily. And the best part of this technology is that you are the owner, totally responsible, and you have the control over your entire financial system, the assets you have. You own it. Nobody else going to control or put any regulations on that. You the one who have the control, decide to send, sell, make money out of it. You can do whatever you want with the technology. Nobody else going to have any control on your goods. What I believe the biggest problem this technology can solve is trust. We live in a society where we don't trust each other. We have low trust society. So in such society, if you provide trust, people are willing to pay you as much as you want. If you provide high trust, because no one is controlling this technology, not even you. You have written a piece of code in form of smart contract where you have defined that what should happen when someone do this or when someone do that. The concept is huge. You can do a lot of things. I give you just simple example that how you can build trust using this blockchain technology for any purpose. Okay, and you will see that in the coming future all the contracts you will see in a hardcode papers, like you go to the government office, register the contract, and then you store in your home. These all going to be shift on a blockchains, because blockchain is immutable. Once you write anything on the blockchain, that's going to be permanent for all the time, and no one has the right to delete that information. No one can change that. That's the power of blockchain. So if you want to verify anything, you can simply refer to the blockchains and you can verify that. Not even you can change the document which you will upload, the contract you will upload on the blockchains. It's immutable. The implementation is huge. You can take it to next level. So right now you can see people are talking about NFT. It's a kind of implementations. They are using blockchain technology for this NFT concept, and you can integrate in your own business. For example, that you have a clinic business. So what you will say that I'm launching this NFT, I'm launching this token, and those who will hold this token, they will get special discounts, they will get special facilities in our clinics. In such scenario, both the clinic owner, the organization, and the participation, the patients, they both will have the benefit, because those who will hold the token, they can easily able to sell to someone else and they can make money, and as long as they are keeping it, they can get the benefit and they will get the discount. So both party will have the win-win situation. So the implementation is huge. So if I start talking about, the list goes on and on. So the implementation is huge, and you will find that in the coming year, the financial system is going to be the change, especially the banking system. The way we experience financial good, the way we do transaction on a regular basis, the way we buy stuff from online, that entire thing is going to be integrated with the blockchain technology, and you will see that how it will revolutionize every single sectors, every single jobs. So these are the few examples which I have given. The implementations are huge. A lot of companies are also working on this, providing security, integrating with the existing platform for better financial experience or a service experience. Right now you will see that this will drastically change the ecosystem of e-commerce industry or a service-based industry. So if you want to know more about this blockchain technology, and if you have any concept or any idea, do leave in the comment section. We'll talk about it. You will help me, I will help you, and this is how we'll grow in this ecosystem. Being a developer, you have to know everything. If you are an individual or a business organizations, you have to know how these technologies are changing and taking place in the market, and what kind possibilities can give you, both in the terms of financial, in terms of security, in terms of trust, and in terms of your control. So that's it in the video. Hope you have found this video valuable. If you have any questions in doubt, leave in the comment section. I would love to help you in that. For the time being, have a wonderful day and take care.